Good day! In this video, we are going to try and solve question 2C, Part 1, Part 2 and Part 3 of the 2022 NCEA Level 2 Apply Calculus Method in Solving Equation. Without further ado, let's read Part 1. During the cricket match, spectators both come and leave the venue. The number of spectators can be modeled by the following equation. P equals to 100t squared minus 2t to the power 4 plus 750, where t is between 0 and 7.5 hours. Where P represents the number of spectators in attendance and T represents the number of hours since the start of the match. Show that the rate of change of spectators is minus 528 people per hour when the time is 6 hours. So we need to write the equation first. So PT, we got PT is equals to 100t squared minus 2t to the power 4 plus 750. So whenever you have a rate of change type of question, what we're going to do, we are going to differentiate. So P, 1 to the power t, we differentiate it, is going to be 200t minus 8t cubed. So now, they said that the number of spectator rate of change is 6. So we're going to substitute 6 into this equation and we need to know the answer. So when P, 1t becomes 6, we're going to put 200 change to 6 minus 8, 6 to the power of 3. Put in your calculator and your answer is going to be minus 528 people per hour. So that is why your answer is a minus 528 per hour when time equals to 6. Great. Now we shall do part 2. The part 2 is straightforward. They ask you, what is the meaning of this value for the rate of change? It actually means minus 528 people. There are 528 people that will leave the venue per hour were leaving the game at that particular time. So if you can answer that both questions, you get a merit, and the last part of the question will enable you to get an excellence in this question. So let's look at part 3 of the question. So part 3 looks like this. Okay, so I'm going to adjust the paper a little bit. Okay, I hope you can see that. Okay, so at another match, the number of spectators is modeled by the equation P equal to kt squared minus 2t to the power 4 plus 750, where k is a constant. The number of spectators is growing fastest when t or time equals to 4 hours. Find the value of k. Explain your reasoning clearly using correct mathematical statement. So we're going to write the equation. So the pt is going to be kt squared minus 2t4 plus 750. So again, whenever you talk about maximum, minimum, we are going to differentiate again. So P, the first derivative is going to be 2 kt minus 8 t to the 3, and that's it. Okay, and we to find maximum, we need to get the second derivative. So the second derivative is going to be 2k minus 24t squared. Check the differentiation and it should be right, okay? So they said, the statement said, it is growing fastest when t equals to 4. So what we're going to do, we are going to substitute when it's the maximum, second derivative equal to 0. So that will be equal to 0, okay? So 2k minus 24t squared equals to 0. And then we're going to solve this. So we're going to plus 24t on both sides. So we're going to 2k equals to 24t squared. We just bring it over. Now we're going to divide by 2. So k equals to 12t squared. So last but not least is maximum and t equal to 4. So when t equal to 4, what we're going to do, we're going to substitute that into the equation. So k is going to be 12 4 squared. Now you have to put in a calculator, and the value of k when it's at the maximum is going to be 192. So that answers plus the first two answers, you get all three of them right, you get excellent for this paper. So practice again, and I'll see you in the next part of the video, which is question 3A. Cheers!